Hello, today I want to show you how to add Canva design to Google Drive. Let's open this example as a presentation. Let's click on Share on the top right here on Canva. Now click on See All. Scroll down on your find the Google Drive Save option. Click on it. Click on Connect Google Drive, sending to your Gmail associated Google Drive. Click on Continue. Here you have the file type. For example, I'm going to choose PDF and click on Save. Here your Canva design will be saved as local drive link. So let's wait for it to be loaded. And here, click on View Google Drive here. So I have our cover design successfully saved with Google Drive in view. Simple steps. And that's it, guys. If you found this hack helpful, please consider subscribing and liking and sharing this video with your friends. It helps us a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.